How's it going? I'm Drew Carrick, active CPA.
And what's up? I'm Mike Whitmire, inactive CPA.
And today we're going to find out if Chat GPT can pass the CPA exam.
So we know it's passed the LSAT, it's passed the GMAT, other tests as well. I didn't see it pass the CPA exam though, so we're about to find out for ourselves if it can do it.
There's a reason I left that exam crying.
It's been 15 years. I'm a little concerned if I can get these right myself, but let's kick into it, man. Here we go. You're a CPA candidate taking the CPA exam. We're going to ask you some multiple choice questions. Please select whichever answer you think is correct.
I am not capable of taking the CPA exam.
All right, we're off to a good start here. CPAs feel good. Let's see if I can help with these multiple choice questions.
All right.
Of the following fraudulent activities, which could most likely be perpetrated due to the lack of effective internal controls in the revenue cycle?
When it comes to misappropriation of cash, right, you're talking about fraudulent activities which could be perpetrated due to the lack of effective internal controls. And I think in internal controls, the people who are authorizing credit probably shouldn't be the same people who are receiving cash. Let's find out.
It's been too long. This is hard. Let's see.
Fictitious transactions may be recorded that cause an overstatement of receivables and an understatement of revenues. The correct answer actually was authorization of credit memos by personnel who receive cash may permit the misappropriation of cash.
All right, so 0 for 1. Which of the following characteristics most likely would heighten an auditor's concern about the risk of material misstatements arising from fraudulent financial reporting?
Every situation where fraud is happening is usually some sort of external pressure. That's like we have to find a way to make our revenue look better.
My guess is C. The entity's industry is experiencing declining customer demand. That might result in management pressuring fraudulent things to occur to maintain good financial statements. I think it might get this one right. I don't know why, but I feel like it's going to. Yeah.
So it said employees who handle cash receipts are not bonded as its answer.
Okay.
The correct answer is the entity's industry is experiencing declining.
Let's go.
Hey.
All right.
Go Homo sapiens. A CPA has been requested by a former audit client to reissue the auditor's report for the prior period. Before reissuing the report, the CPA should. That's one of those things where I think you need the letter of representation again from client's manager.
Yeah, you might want to do inquiries with the attorney around that, but that would be covered under the reps that management would be making.
Yeah.
So to me, that feels like the safest.
Because it's just reissuing here. This is all seems to be more like actually re-auditing.
Okay, I like
Find
it. Okay,
out.
I'm gonna Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Is that the right answer?
I believe so.
Is it?
I mean, that's what we picked.
Let's go check.
It is
All
the correct
right,
answer.
there we go. Humans and machines unite to get it correct. Which of the following decision-making techniques is most useful to a manager who is attempting to increase the profitability of an area, but who has a problem with limited capacity for operation of a critical machine? In building FloQast, these buzz terms are used very frequently by some of the outside people we chat with. So in my opinion, I think it's theory of constraints here.
So let's find out. Theory of constraints is what Chat GPT comes up with as well.
Hopefully it's right. I hope it's right, because that is a very confident answer they gave right there. Theory of constraints. All right. Excellent. Well done. GPT, OpenAI.
Which of the following is considered part of the required supplementary information for general purpose external financial reporting of a local government? Yeah.
What's your guess?
I feel like the government has to provide, like, these are the funds that we're allocating your money towards. I don't know if I'm interpreting that correctly.
Maybe that isn't the supplementary information. This is us. All right, so human struggling through this one. Let's see if the machine.
Management discussion and analysis. All right, let's find out if we got owned by Chat GPT. Management discussion and analysis.
It nailed it. Okay.
That's just it knowing, like it figured out what are the requirements here, and it had the list, and it just was able to identify.
Yeah, was able to. In real life, you need more like 100% accuracy, so I would not rely on GPT quite yet and consult your CPA for any guidance.
This has been eye-opening.
Yeah, thanks for listening. We hope it was interesting. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you don't feel too concerned about AI taking over, but this was fascinating to see it play out.